Hi, I'm Donna Pohlad. I'm the founder of dpHUE.
And I'm Maddie Perstuti. I'm our VP of Operations. And we are actually mother and daughter, so we're in isolation together right now.
So we thought a great thing to do while we're sitting at home is to show you how to use the Root Touch-Up Kit.
Donna is a dark brown with the dpHUE Root Touch-Up Kit. So I'm gonna flip the camera around so she can show you everything that comes inside the box.
The kit comes with everything you need for 2 applications. So I'll open these boxes and I'll do an unboxing for you and show what's in here. So for 2 applications, we have, I don't know if you can see this, Maddie, we have 2 developers, a hair color brush, 2 bowls, 2 sets of gloves, 2 processing caps, and the Color Fresh shampoo and conditioner when it's time to wash the color out of your hair. Also in the smaller white box is your hair color. This is permanent hair color. It's from Italy. It's fabulous. On each tube, it's marked halfway. So obviously you just squeeze down to the first line for your first application and put the cap back on tight and save the second half for your next application. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the cap off, puncture the end, and I'm going to squeeze the color into the bowl. I don't know if you can see that. Halfway down. Next, I'm going to open the packette of developer and squeeze out all the contents of the packette into the hair color. Okay, so now with my gloves on, I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to mix the color and the developer together until it's really well mixed. The great thing about this Root Touch-Up Kit is that it's really meant to just cover your part line and your hairline around your face and just those areas that are showing so that you look like you just came out of the salon, but you really didn't. So you just use the end of the brush, the tip end of the brush to make a part. So try to make a straight part and fill the end of your brush and just start applying. It's really ideal when you have just about a 1/2 inch to 1 inch of outgrowth. So for those of you whose skin stains easily, if you want to go ahead and put Vaseline or some kind of barrier cream around the edge, that'll work for you. Just going to take off my gloves, put on a processing cap, and then rinse out the brush and keep the brush, throw away the bowl, and put everything else back in the kit and save it for the next time. Now this is not going to be cute, but that's okay. Okay, I'm going to set my timer for 45 minutes. My roots will be covered.